Welcome to the Siam Center Law Group podcast, the show that provides in-depth legal insights to help you understand and stay informed about important legal issues with ease. Today we will discuss Thailand's new narcotics law, which came into effect on December 2021. This reform marks a significant shift in Thailand's legal framework regarding narcotics. What are the key changes, and how do they impact law enforcement and society? Let's find out. Major reforms in the new narcotics law. This new legislation represents a major overhaul of Thailand's drug laws, aiming to modernize outdated provisions and streamline enforcement. Multiple laws related to narcotics have now been consolidated into a single legal code to reduce complexity and improve regulatory effectiveness. Moreover, the law shifts the approach toward drug users, viewing them as patients rather than criminals. This means that instead of strictly punitive measures, there is now a stronger emphasis on rehabilitation and reintegration into society. Key changes in the new law: elimination of the presumption of intent to distribute. Under the previous law, anyone found in possession of drugs exceeding a legally defined threshold was automatically presumed to have the intent to sell. However, the new law removes this presumption, meaning intent must now be determined based on case-specific evidence and circumstances rather than a fixed quantity. 2. Differentiated penalties based on the nature of the offense. The new law maintains severe penalties for drug production, importation, and exportation, particularly for large-scale trafficking networks. However, for individuals caught in possession of drugs for personal use, the maximum prison sentence has been reduced to 1 to 2 years, and they may be eligible for rehabilitation instead of incarceration. 3. Prioritizing treatment and rehabilitation. Over imprisonment. Instead of sending drug users directly to prison, the new law encourages them to undergo medical treatment and rehabilitation programs. This approach aims to break the cycle of crime and drug addiction while reducing the risk of repeat offenses. 4. Enhanced asset seizure. Measures law enforcement authorities are now empowered to seize assets equivalent in value to the benefits obtained from drug offenses, even if they cannot directly trace those assets to illegal activities. This measure is designed to disrupt the financial operations of drug trafficking networks. Impact and implementation strategies. The new law has far-reaching implications for law enforcement agencies, legal practitioners, and the general public. Authorities must adapt their investigation and prosecution methods, while policymakers need to adjust their drug prevention and intervention strategies to align with the law's emphasis on rehabilitation. Furthermore, incarcerated individuals who were convicted under the old law may petition for a sentence review if the new law imposes lighter penalties. This aligns with the fundamental principle that more lenient laws should apply retroactively to benefit offenders. Conclusion. Thailand's new narcotics law reflects a balanced policy shift, combining strict law enforcement measures with opportunities for rehabilitation. This approach is expected to help reduce drug-related problems in the long run and create a more effective regulatory system. We hope today's discussion has helped you better understand this important legal reform. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at Siam Center Law Group. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more insightful legal discussions in upcoming episodes. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next episode.